Hello, my name is Caroline over here at Premiere Fitness, and today we're going to do an arm workout. I have 5-pound weights, but you can do it with smaller weights or bigger weights, whatever works for you. So we're going to start off with 21s. It'll be 7 halfway curls, then 7 curls this way, then 7 full curls. We might add a few more just to make sure we get our 5-minute workout in. Here we go. Make sure we keep our abs tight when we're doing this. All right, then we'll go this way. Make sure we're keeping our shoulders down, away from our neck. Good, 2 more. All right, then full. One more. All right, now we're going to do W curls. So we're going to bring our arms out here, curl up, bring our arms in so your pinkies are almost touching, then curl this way. So we'll do these for 30 seconds. Go at your speed. Just make sure we're breathing, squeezing that core. Good job. 5 more seconds. 2, 1. All right. You should really start to feel it in your arms. They should be burning. So we're going to do some kickbacks there, or kick outs there for our triceps. So we'll start with your weights right below your chest and kick out this way. You want to keep your elbows stable in the same position, so we're really using the back of those arms for our triceps. Good. Again, just make sure we're breathing, engaging your core. Good, we'll do 2 more here. All right, so now we're going to do some wraparounds. So you'll hold your weights this way towards your belly, wrap out and back in. Good job. Make sure we're keeping those shoulders down. Good. 2 more. All right. So now we're going to do sprinting arms. So you can take a foot in front. We're going to just pretend like we're sprinting. Go at a pace that's good for you. If you want to speed up, you can. I'm going to switch which leg is forward halfway through, so you can just follow me with that. Good. 3, 2, 1. Then we'll do this for a little bit longer with our other leg forward. Same thing. Go at that pace that feels best for you. Good. If you want to speed it up, you're at the end of the finish line here. 3, 2, 1. All right. So last but not least, we're going to do some lateral raise for our shoulders. So just straight in front. Make sure we're not going above the shoulder blade. And if you can't go all the way as far as I'm going, just go what feels good for you in your range of motion. Do 3 more. Good. All right. So we'll put our weights down. And the last thing we'll do is some stretching. We just remember to always stretch, especially our upper body. Sometimes we forget to do that because we're too busy doing our quads and our hamstrings. So we're just going to take our arm across our chest here. Breathe. Good. Other way. Your arm should be a little bit tired. You'll probably feel it tomorrow. And this is something that you can do 2 to 3 times if you want to keep doing it. And put your arm out, flex those fingers back. Shake it out, and then the other arm. All right, so that's all for today. That was your 5-minute arm workout. So make sure you tune back in next time we have a video, and have a great day.